Okay, so I have to say this is the Qigong I haven't seen before because there are so many Qigong they call 12, 12, 12, 12 or 12. In the why is 12? Very interesting thing. This is I can see this is like a combination. They put lots of like very good movement together, make the like a perfect like Qigong, not just one this style another style. It's kind of mixed, and I think the most thing what I wanna speak today, that I wanna emphasize is what's the purpose of Qigong, what's the key elements of Qigong, right? So we usually say this body, the body shape, and the breathing, the mind, that's the Xing, Qi, Shen. That's three key elements. So the first thing, the movement, the body movement, that will be easier to understand, that everyone can follow. But the Qi and the Shen is a bit hard for us to know. Even we watch someone else to do, but we can't really know how he breathing, how he like is in the mind, right? So I want to just emphasize on that way. The first thing we need to understand because all the Qigong based on Chinese medicine. The Qigong actually is a stem from Chinese medicine, follow all the principle of Chinese medicine. So we just understand the body system in Chinese medicine. The first way in Chinese medicine we say external, internal, and then external is all the channel system, internal is the organ, and then we have three treasures to hold our whole body. So Jing, Qi, Shen. That's the three treasures as a whole body. They spread everywhere. And then, so most of Qigong, they basically target on three treasures first. So all the Qigong always based on three treasures. The Qi, the Jing. Jing is body fluid. Jing means body fluid, the essence of body fluid. And Qi is the more like we say, normally we say Qi, right? The Qi sensation, the Qi. And the sense of the mind. And then I mentioned the three elements of Qigong practice is Xing, Qi, Shen. The Xing is the body, Qi is the breathing, Shen is the mind. So they always use the same word but have different meaning. So we use the three elements, the Qigong elements, so body, breathing, and the Shen to regulate our internal called Jing, Qi, Shen, the essence. The qi, you can consider this as an energy, so vital energy, and the Shen is always the mind, the spirit. So this is the way. And then afterwards we have another like system. So both in the internal, external, I say the channel system and the inside the organ system. So when we do all the movement, the first thing we need to understand that. So I just very briefly tell you what's the channel spread. Usually channels start from the limbs. And the inside and the outside. Inside is yin channels, outside is yang channels. You can see all the movement. If it's a good the Qigong movement, always consider yin and yang need to keep a balance. So when we do any movement, so like for example, when you do something like this is more focused on this side is yin. Then afterwards, when you move back, always back to yang. So all the movement just like Tai Chi principle, exactly the same. Or each movement always considered yin and yang. You need to identify which is yin, which is yang. Then keep a balance. You push out is like yang, then the go back is yin. Always like this. So then the yin and the yang. How to identify if it's yin and the yang? So you where I say the body, this inside is called yin, outside is yang. So first you probably focus on the yin aspects. Afterwards, focus on the yang aspects. Let the qi unify your whole body. So this is the simple way we can consider. And this is channel system. On the arms, this is yin, this is yang. On the legs, this is yin aspects. Then these three sides is yang aspects, yin and the yang. So that's why all the movement always like it's actually the principle very similar to Tai Chi. So always consider yin and the yang, yin and the yang. Then another system is internal system, right? I say external, internal is organs. That's why we always like why to move our body. So because inside the body, so we call it three jiao or three energizers. So the jiao actually is the chest cavity, stomach, the middle cavity, and the pubic area cavity. So that's 3 areas. Then you can see all the movement. You need to see just like when we move, you need to understand that you want to move this part or move this part or move this part. Once you understand that, now you know why we do this all the movement. Because when you twist your body, move your body, actually massage your internal organs. You massage internal organs. So that's why we need to turn. So just like we say, when we do Qigong exercise, always consider first is safety. So make sure every movement in your in your limit. Don't go too far. When inside your limit, you try to massage your organs as much as possible. Just keep safe. If you can't turn too much, you turn this way. But if you go as much as possible, you massage your internal organ as much as possible. Is that right? So that's the movement. So lots of trunk movement. So sometimes some people explain that more targeted on the spine, but actually spine is actually the one of the channel called dumai, the governing vessels. But also you can consider our internal organs. So always internal, external, combined together. All the movement, arm and the limbs is the external. Also this is yin and the yang. Internal organs is yin. Our limbs, the body, the outside is yang. So all the movement always is balanced. So there's no such movement only targeted on the external part, only target the internal part. Always move together. So this is like the Tai Chi idea. So balance, external, internal, or yang aspects, yin aspects. And also in another element I want to say, just the body fluid and the blood in Chinese medicine we call yin aspects, and the energy, the qi is yang aspects. So always when we move somebody, you can consider that we move the qi. Actually, in the same time, because your body move, you actually improve your circulation. That's the yin and the yang still keep balance. So this is the basic idea of Qigong.